Chesapeake Bay.
Oh yeah. How'd that go?
Harry Point. Harv de Grace. Hey, something's coming. I don't know what it is. It sounds like freight. About to see you in a second. Yep, CSX. Well, the timing though. All the years I come down here, never seen a train come through the crossing. Now we got freight. Oh wow, that's a short one. You know what? That's a shunt move. They're moving cars around. That's not like a whole train set. They're moving cars around. Okay. All right, I accept that. $5,001. Hey. Off it goes. On its way to Hunt Valley. Damn. She willing that turn. Woo. Sheesh. All right, bye-bye, light rail link. That's one way to go about it. Oh, he's got to get it. He's got to go ahead of us on the spring switch.
How long? 2 days. 2 days. Carl. What'd you say?
Hi, Carl. Hi, Harry. You're on video.
Smile for the camera.
I see Carl, but I can't see Harry. He's behind a post. There he is. It's Harry. About as close as you're going to get. Hey, yo. This is cool.
We still have a couple. We still have sleep on. Wow.
It's just coasting along behind. It's like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, that's creeping up. It's unobstructed except for the line poles.
Look at that, cranking the brakes.
Take a picture while I'm recording. Beautiful.
Step back, doors opening.
Doors opening. Step back to allow customers to exit.
Doors opening, you know the doors are already open.
Well, Carl said they use it. They do use it to clear the right of way, but that's the first time I actually seen them running. Aside from like old videos, because like old videos you can't hear the sound, so you don't know what it sounds like. But now we know what it sounds like. It just sounds like a really dull vacuum cleaner. That works though. Okay. I've never sat in the front step while it's running.
I was gonna do that.
This is an interesting view. Oh no, I'm not trying to, no. I'm not trying to. The wind just had other ideas. Oh, that branch came a little close. Should have recorded that landscape. I'm a fool. Oh well. Be alright.
Yeah. Yeah, 2 cars.
Ha. Oh, that's Maurice's turn.
Yep. Alright, it's gotta be that. It's stuff in the
All right, lost our pole. We lost our pole, but now we back again. We on the move. Yeah, that retriever was finicky as hell. It kept locking up.
Oh, one back there?
Yeah, like it. Normally I can just pull the rope straight out. I just pull the rope one hand over the other and pull the rope straight out, but it kept pulling.
Stop.
That you gotta stop the switch.
Switch.
You gotta stop.
That's better.
Yeah, you gotta stop at the switch first.
Well, first,
Foot back, foot on the power. It's gonna roll back.
Like in Philly, the basic point switch, you gotta stop. Yeah, that was right there.
That way you don't barrel through the switch aimed at the wrong way.
So you got stupid shit. Literally.
Same thing again. Same thing again. Same thing again. Same thing again.
Easy on the brakes.
That's why I said same thing again. Stop at the switch. So I'm trying to give you the heads up.
I was saying, well, that's all right. Hey, it takes a while to get used to it. Yeah, I did the first time. I didn't do it. That's why. These brakes, all you gotta do is touch the brakes.
And they just poof. So I love this car. I just gotta remind myself.
I gotta remind myself because I've been operating 7407 too much. I operated this in the Philly subway.
So did I.
On New Year's Eve.
So did I. Yes. So we both got that. We both got that one.
I say what? You both did it and shit?
Mm-hmm. 15th to 33rd westbound. Ed said, don't worry about the signals, just go. I said, okay. Only time I let off was for the insulator. That was it. I let off, let it coast through, and then we just gone.
Hey, you might be able to get a photo. Oh God, here goes this boy.
It's the Broadway line in New York.
For him to come around, it's way here for him to come around. Yeah, it came out twice for you. That's
Pick back up where we left off again. That's smooth go around the curve though. That was smooth.
this one right here.
Oh, I gotta wait for. Okay, they're waiting for us to come from out the single track. Okay, that's why I thought we was gonna wait for them to come out. That makes sense though, because that's a slower car too.
I'm about to say that's why.
So both of these cars can get out, and that one can come out this way. I hate when
hear that slider. That's why I say it's a slider. So
There ain't no slider on this. That's a
No,
wheel.
this doesn't have a slider.
That's a wheel.
That's a wheel.
That's a wheel. That is a wheel. So you're gonna hear it even more.
That's the had sliders from 1980. But sliders are better if you have to back your car. Or wheels are better if you have to back up.
Yeah.
They wait for us.
Yep.
Yeah, pretty much.
That's cause he knocked the pole off.
Pretty much.
Switch.
Stop.
Switch.
Okay?
And alright, coast. Coast. Because we still passing through the special works. Alright, now we good. Now we good. Just don't knock the pole off again. Switch.
How do you switch? Pull up a little more
Can you see it?
so you can tell apparently how it's set. Nope. Gotta switch. Pull up a little more.
Vacation where?
Alright, through the switch. Since the last part of the video cut off, so I gotta mix them.
Yep.
It's different with the air brake.
I say it's a pain behind, that's what it is. Literally had to push them all the way down to the floor damn near just for it to stop.
Oh, sir.
No.
Safety stop. Missed it.
Going downtown for random.
You missed it.
Oh, that's right. The line needs to be repainted.
I said there's no line there.
There it is. It's there, but it's faded, but it's there.
Oh, that's a safety spot though.
You're going downtown, and we're on camera.
Come on, man.
We're getting pictures taken.
We are on camera.
She's photographing and I'm videoing.
Take it all the way up.
So this,
Well, I mean, one of them is already dead. How do you even get to operate that one? Oh, they're on.
Okay. Stick right here. Put it in the car. Let's see what's going to go out there.
Probably 1164. Unless there's something else that might come out.
Yeah, it is on, right?
very good.
Ah, that's more dirty.
Oh Lord.